In this video, you'll learn how to add a custom token to your Binance account. This process involves checking for token listings and utilizing the Binance Web3 wallet for custom tokens. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to successfully add a token to your wallet. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are on the main dashboard, locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Enter the name or symbol of the token you wish to add. If the token is listed, it means Binance supports it and you should proceed to add it. If the token does not appear in the search results, note that Binance does not allow manual addition of custom tokens to the spot wallet. Next, if you are using the Binance Web3 wallet, navigate to the wallet settings. Look for the option labeled Add Custom Token. Click on this option to open the custom token addition interface. You will need to enter the contract address of the token you want to add. Ensure that you have the correct contract address, as using an incorrect one can lead to issues with token recognition. After entering the contract address, the wallet will automatically retrieve the token details. This may take a moment, so be patient while the information populates. Review the token name, symbol, and any other relevant details that appear on the screen. It is crucial to verify that all the information is accurate to avoid adding the wrong token. If the details are correct, proceed by confirming the addition of the custom token. Look for a button that indicates confirm or add token and click it. Once you confirm the addition, the custom token will be successfully added to your Binance Web3 wallet. You should see it listed alongside your other tokens shortly after. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection and ensure that you have sufficient storage available in your wallet. Large tokens or multiple additions may take longer to process, depending on network traffic. Always double check the contract address and other details to ensure a smooth addition. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.